Have you ever wondered what sets an exceptional nurse apart from a good one? It's more than just clinical skills and knowledge. It's a commitment to continuous learning and growth. In this demanding and ever-evolving field of nursing, there's always something new to learn, a new technique to master, a new challenge to overcome. That's where we come in. Welcome to Nurses Notes, where we offer nursing nuggets and bite-sized wisdom. Our mission is to provide you with compact, actionable tips that you can easily incorporate into your everyday nursing practice. We understand that nursing students like you are constantly juggling between theory and practice, between classrooms and clinics. That's why we've tailored our content to be short yet impactful, making your learning experience more efficient and effective. So are you ready to step up your nursing game? To go beyond the textbooks and learn from the experiences of seasoned professionals? Embark on this journey of learning and growth and become the exceptional nurse you aspire to be. A scene script. Time, as they say, waits for no one, especially not in the world of nursing. Time management is a critical skill in this profession, where seconds can make all the difference. As a nurse, you'll often find yourself juggling multiple tasks, from administering medication to comforting a patient to updating medical records. The ability to manage your time effectively can help you stay calm and composed even in the most chaotic situations. So, how does one go about mastering this art? Well, it begins with prioritizing. Not all tasks are created equal, and it's important to distinguish between what must be done immediately and what can wait. An effective way to do this is by creating a to-do list at the start of your shift and updating it as new tasks come up. This will help you keep track of your responsibilities and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. But what about those quiet moments, when the ward is calm and your tasks are under control? This is where leveraging downtime comes into play. Use these moments to take care of tasks that aren't urgent but still need to be done, like restocking supplies or updating patient charts. Maximizing your downtime can help you stay ahead and reduce the chance of feeling overwhelmed when things get busy again. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: procrastination. It's a common enemy we all face, but in nursing, it can have serious consequences. The key to overcoming procrastination is understanding why it happens. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Are you unsure of how to proceed with a task? Once you identify the cause, you can take steps to address it. Lastly, remember that everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to develop your own time management strategies. Experiment with different methods. Reflect on what works and what doesn't, and continuously refine your approach. Remember, mastering the art of time management can make your nursing journey smoother and more enjoyable. Ever considered how crucial effective communication is in nursing? Imagine a world where doctors, nurses, and patients speak different languages. Sounds chaotic, right? That's because it would be. Communication is the foundation of any effective healthcare team. It's the lifeblood that allows us to provide quality patient care, and it's a skill that every nurse needs to master. Let's start with patients. You're not just dealing with a list of symptoms or a medical history, you're interacting with a human being who's likely scared, confused, and longing for reassurance. Your words, tone, and body language can make a world of difference. Simple phrases like "I'm here for you" and "we're doing everything we can" help to ease their worries. But it's not all about talking. Active listening is equally, if not more, important. By truly hearing and understanding what your patients say, you can better address their concerns and provide the best care. Now let's talk about families. They're often just as scared and confused as the patients. It's essential to communicate clearly and empathetically with them. Explain the situation in layman's terms, answer their questions, and reassure them. Remember, you're not just taking care of the patient, you're also caring for their loved ones. And then there's the healthcare team. Doctors, nurses, therapists, lab technicians, the list goes on. Clear, concise communication among team members is crucial to prevent medical errors and ensure optimal patient care. It's like a well-rehearsed dance where everyone knows their steps and moves in harmony. Here are a few tips. Always maintain eye contact. It shows that you're engaged and interested. Use simple, straightforward language. Medical jargon can be confusing and intimidating. And finally, validate the other person's feelings. Let them know that their concerns are valid and that they're being heard. In nursing, effective communication is not just about speaking, it's about listening, understanding, and connecting. It's about building relationships and trust. It's about empathizing with the patient, their family, and your team. Because at the end of the day, nursing is all about people. and people need to be heard, understood, and cared for. Do you know what's the secret ingredient to becoming a great nurse? It's the unrelenting spark of curiosity. As nurses, we are perpetual students, always learning, always growing. Curiosity fuels this learning, pushing us to delve deeper, to question more, to understand better. It's what encourages us to stay updated on the latest nursing practices and research. Think about it. In a field as dynamic and evolving as healthcare, staying stagnant is not an option. We must continually adapt, continually learn. And how do we do this? By asking questions, by seeking knowledge, by challenging the status quo, by being curious. Curiosity is not just about learning new things. It's about improving patient care, about becoming better at what we do. It's about pushing boundaries and raising the bar. So, embrace your curiosity. Feed it, nourish it, let it grow. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every day is a new opportunity to become a better nurse. So, what does it take to become an exceptional nurse, you may ask? Well, let's recap what we've discussed. Firstly, mastering the art of time management is vital. As a nurse, you'll be juggling numerous tasks simultaneously, so being able to prioritize and manage time effectively is a must. Secondly, communication is key. Whether you're sharing critical information with a doctor, explaining a procedure to a patient, or collaborating with your nursing team, your ability to communicate clearly and effectively is crucial. And finally, never lose your sense of curiosity. The field of nursing is constantly evolving, with new research techniques and technologies emerging all the time. By staying curious and committed to continuous learning, you'll be able to adapt and thrive in this dynamic profession. Remember, nursing is not just a profession. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth. Embrace the journey, and you're already on your way to becoming an exceptional nurse.